Straight Talk is now part of Verizon and uses major carrier networks including Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T to provide nationwide coverage. To activate 4G LTE service, start by inserting your Straight Talk SIM card into your compatible phone. Use the SIM removal tool to open the tray and carefully place the SIM card in the correct position. You can activate your SIM card online through the Straight Talk website or by calling their activation line. The online process is quick and convenient. Simply enter your SIM card number and follow the prompts. During activation, you'll need to choose a service plan. Straight Talk offers various plans including unlimited gold and platinum plans with access to 5G and 4G LTE networks. Ensure your phone is VoLTE ready for optimal call quality and the ability to use data while on a call. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, is the current network standard that provides clearer calls. Straight Talk offers access to 5G networks, but 4G LTE remains widely available and reliable. If you experience connection issues after activation, you may need to configure your APN settings for optimal performance. APN settings are the gateway that connects your phone to the internet and enables multimedia messaging on the Straight Talk network. These settings tell your device exactly how to communicate with your carrier's data network. Straight Talk uses different APN settings depending on which network your SIM card connects to. The first few digits of your SIM card number determine whether you're on Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T's network. There are 3 easy ways to get the correct APN settings for your Straight Talk service. You can text APN to 611611, contact Straight Talk support directly, or check their website using your SIM card information. Once you have the correct APN settings, you'll need to manually configure them on your device. The process varies slightly between Android and iPhone, but both require entering specific parameters like APN name, APN type, and APN protocol. Incorrect APN settings are the most common cause of mobile data connection issues. After updating your APN settings, always restart your phone to ensure the changes take effect. If you're still having problems, double-check that you entered all the settings exactly as provided.